Hi, I'm Matt, the in-house Runningmanologist here at Red Pepper, and welcome to another edition of Touch on Tech, where we report on the latest uses of emerging technology. Do you wish you could dance? Well, you're in luck because UC Berkeley has come out with a neural network that can be trained on any dancer. You just show it your cool moves and then put it against Bruno Mars, and all of a sudden, something that looks like you's dancing just like Bruno Mars. Watch out, Justin Timberlake, because AI is coming for you. So what's being hailed as the convenience store of the future has been put on by Dirty Lemon in New York. Kind of like the Amazon Go store, where you walk in, grab something, walk out and get charged. It's very similar to what they're doing, except they put a twist on it.
A lemon twist.
You don't actually pay when you leave or get charged. It's based on the honor system. So you walk in, grab a drink, walk out, text them and say, hey, I took this charcoal drink, charge me. And they do. Just imagine if all stores were like this. You walk in, try on some clothes, walk out, and say, I'll pay you guys later. And then you don't. So have you heard about this game called Angry Birds? Well, it's new. Actually, there is a new one. It's Angry Birds AR, and they're using the Magic Leap to bring it back into the real world. So the Magic Leap is an augmented reality set of glasses and a controller. So what you do is you look at a place that you want all the Angry Bird pigs to show up, you say, put them there. You grab your controller and you say, boom, with your slingshot. And things fall over anywhere you want, except nothing gets hurt in your house, like your cat. So get those slingshots ready and get some extra Band-Aids, because those little piggies are gonna be all over your living room floor. What about Flappy Bird? So on Twitter, Ye Olde Doc put up a prototype of something he's been working on, which actually gives you Bitcoin for looking at brands. So if you look over and see a Coca-Cola can, bing, here comes some Bitcoin your way. If you look over and see a Red Bull, bing, bing, you get some more Bitcoin. Welcome to the future. You get paid to look at brands. Next thing you know, they're gonna be paying you for your dreams. So do you like airplanes, but just have too big of bags to put in the overhead? Well, Kayak's come up with a solution that uses augmented reality to measure your bag and then tell you right then whether it's gonna not fit in the overhead. Using Apple's latest AR kit, it'll actually map your luggage and create the actual real physical dimensions of what your luggage is and match it up against the airline you're gonna fly on and say, yep, that'll fit, or no, it won't. IKEA could use it to say, hey, those 52 Jordans are not gonna fit in your trunk. So Microsoft built a laugh battle bot. What does it do? Well, you and a friend sit down at a table and then you try to make each other laugh. And whoever cracks first is the loser and the other person gets a point. The AI uses facial recognition to detect your emotions and determine if you laughed or not. See, it's not all Skynet. Maybe this is some technology that Pizza Hut could integrate into their tables so that when you're sitting there with your date, you get a real-time score of how funny you really are, making everything much more enjoyable and delightful. It would not. Well, that's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. Thanks for coming by and spending some time with us. We hope you spend some more time with us next time on another edition of Touch on Tech. Sometimes.